Hello, my name's Elena. I always start so peaceful, but it's not really that peaceful up in here. Hello, my name is Elena Powers, and let me show you how I go from this to this in only 30 minutes using minimal makeup. Enjoy. Look at this. Look at this work of art. Welcome back to a new video. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Friday. Actually, Saturday. It's Saturday. And guess who has to go to work? Guess who has to go to work? Guess who needs to go and sell their soul to the devil one more time? Me. Literally me every Saturday. But honestly, work has been pretty good. I've been making money. So we're gonna do a quick money manifestation before work, just to manifest money into our lives and make sure we have a busy Saturday night. Last night I worked and it was pretty busy, so I have a feeling I don't really like the green ones though. I have a feeling tonight's gonna be even busier, and I really hope that becomes true because I'm trying to make some money. Please bring money into my life. Money comes my way. Money comes my way. For the good of all and harm to none. $5,000 are on his way to me. It belongs to me. Do people remember that spell that was popular on TikTok to manifest money? It was for the good of all and harm to none. $5,000 is on his way to me. It belongs to me. And it comes as I please. I don't know. It was something like that. I was doing that in 2021, but I haven't really done money spells recently. I just be burning incense and cleansing my energy with the smoke. I love the smell of it. It's like a meditation. I'm gonna go shower. It is 6:35. I have work at 9, so we have about 2 hours to get ready, maybe 3 hours. So I'm gonna just show you how I become a baddie. So you can take some notes. Look at how cool this is. Also, if you have a crystal, you can cleanse it with the smoke and then set an intention. Now that we're here, let's cleanse my money crystal. That's probably why I've been making hella money, because I have a crystal in my bag. Maybe not. If you're a Christian, I'm sorry. Let's cleanse this. This is my money bag at work. I put my money in here. It's a Crown Royal bag. What can I say? I cleanse all the negative energy. I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. Quick story time. I literally had a shower with cold water because my water is not wanting to be warm. So that sucked, but it's okay. I guess. I mean, nothing I can do about it now. At least I'm clean. I was gonna do an ice bath for my face, but I'm too cold, so we're not doing that anymore. Let me get my beauty blender wet. Okay, makeup time. Everybody loves makeup. I mean, I hope everybody watching this loves makeup. I'm not a huge makeup lover, but recently I've been doing more makeup and I've been feeling myself. So what's going on? Where'd my beauty blender go? I literally just had it. I'm already losing shit. Where's my beauty blender? Didn't I just have it? I just had it, right? Where is my beauty blender? Guys, I need it. Oh, it's on the floor. Let's turn this watch off because people want to hit me up. Perfect. Sorry about that little inconvenience. Makeup. So I like a natural look. So this is a natural baddie look. So if you want to be natural baddie, this is what you're going to do. You're going to start with a primer. This is my primer. It's e.l.f. And obviously, I already put moisturizer on. While that does its thing, we're going to do our eyebrows with this little brown eyebrow pencil. We're just going to line them out, especially on the ends. So people in my life have officially found my YouTube video. Only 2 people though, but still. I don't even know what to talk about right now. This is a makeup tutorial, okay? This is not a chat with me. It's a makeup tutorial video. So it's not a lot of talking, it's more action. But we're gonna do our eyebrows. There it goes, cute, just like that. And then with a gel, you're going to put some gel on it, like clear, brush them. Then we're going to bronze our face. The bronzer I've been using, and I really honestly like it, is this one, is the Lice. I don't know. And you just put it right here. And right here, and then you blend it out. I feel like I have so many makeup tutorials online because I always be doing videos about my makeup. I don't know why. I think I'm James Charles or something. Hi, sisters! And you're just gonna blend it out everywhere in circular motions. Hopefully the mic is working. You see that little bronze? We love a bronzer. And then we're going to put blush with a different brush, obviously, because you don't want to mix your brushes. I used to make that mistake all the time of using the same brush for everything. And that's a big mistake, big no-no. We don't do that anymore. You want to have different brushes for different things. Oh wait, I fucked up. We don't put blush on yet. This is after contour. Silly. Okay, we're gonna contour now with this Tower 28. You're gonna put it below your cheeks, on your chin, on your eyes, especially like this to wake them up, and then your forehead and on your nose. So this is where you're gonna put it. Location is very important. And then with the Beauty Blender, you're gonna blend it out, starting on your cheeks and kind of bringing it down and using it as a foundation concealer type of vibe, you know? You're gonna bring it up on your cheek and kind of do it around that contour. Don't go over the contour, but bring it to your nose, you know? And then the chin, and same thing on the other side. This one might be a little bit too pale for me because I am tanning currently. So I'm a little tan. What can I say? I'm a tan queen. I get it. I am also half Colombian, so obviously I'm a brown Latina. I know. It's amazing, but it's okay because we're gonna put powder over it and it's gonna match perfectly. You'll see. You're gonna do it under your eyes, making it go outwards to highlight that smile. Not the smile. Make it go outwards. That way it highlights your stare, you know? Yep, just like that. Perfect. And then the other side. And then on your nose, you're gonna bring that to your forehead and do it on the middle of the forehead. This is the result. This is it. Looks so good. And now we're gonna put some blush on over the concealer. Spray your face with setting spray. You're gonna grab setting powder. I use the Laura Mercier. This one's honestly really good. With a little sponge, and you're gonna put it where you put the highlighter or the contour, I guess, like that. You see? Just put it on gently. Wow. Under your eyes, same thing, gonna go up. Avoid the area with the bronzer on it. And then your eyebrows. And then on your nose area like this. Muy bonita, muy bonita. This is what it looks like. You're gonna leave it like that, and then we're gonna move on with the bronzer. We have some powder bronzer, so we're just gonna do the same thing, but over the bronzer, just to make it stay longer. So we put cream and then also powder. Honestly, I feel like I've gotten really good at makeup over the years because this looks so good. And you're gonna blend out the contour and then go down here, you know, like blend it out, make it look a little bit more natural on your nose. And then the other side. Okay, can we talk about the fact that guys are players? Can we please? Because why are men playing with me? Honestly, I am convinced men are gay. Like, literally the men I fuck with are gay because what the fudge? I don't be fucking with a lot of men, but whatever. Let's not talk about men, actually. I'm already pissed. Let's talk about something else, something happy. Like, what's happy? What's happy right now? What's happening that makes me happy? Recently, life has been good. Life has been treating me right. So I have no complaints over here, except for the fact that I'm still single and still can't find love. But I think I can look for it. It'll come to me and I'm aware. And it also will not come to me while I'm working at the club. I know that. So I need to leave my job, which I will. And then when I leave my job, I feel like I'm gonna find a husband. Just kidding. I don't know about all that, to be honest. I don't know about all that. But at least find a boo. Fudge. I'm trying to cuddle and shit. This is it. This is our makeup. What do we think? I feel like it's looking very good. You're just gonna blend everything out with this big one. Kind of mix it like that. And then you're gonna spray more setting spray. You're gonna brush your eyebrows. Put eyeliner inside your eyes, only on the top. This is kind of hard, but with time, you will get better at it. And you don't need a lot, just a little bit. And then with a white eyeliner, you're gonna do a line on the bottom of your eyes, like this. I don't know if you can even notice it, but I notice it and it looks good. Then we're gonna grab mascara and put mascara on our bottom lashes, only a little bit. I don't do a lot. I don't like when I get mascara on my actual skin. We're gonna brush our eyelashes and curl them. Brush your eyelashes, make sure they're brushed out. And then you're gonna put mascara on them. I have 3 different mascaras I use. I use this too, and then this one. I don't have a preference, literally just whatever. I'm gonna use this one because yesterday I used it and it kind of made my lashes look really good. So But you wanna make sure you're putting it at the very bottom of your lashes. And then we're gonna clean our eyelids because there is some mascara that gets on it. I'm not gonna lie, there is some mascara that does get on it. So we're gonna grab a little Q-tip, lick it, and then clean our eyes. And then go ahead and clean the inside of your eye because we're gonna put some highlighter. More setting spray, highlighter, like this. I'm literally such a baddie. Okay, stop. I talk about myself too much. It's always I. Why is that? Why is that? It's the ego. But it's okay to appreciate yourself. Let's pluck our eyebrows. Now that we plucked our eyebrows, don't do this. Always pluck your eyebrows before you do your makeup because now it's like stuck to my skin. Like the little hairs. This is my end result. Let me know what you guys think. The makeup took me 30 minutes. It's super easy, super simple. I think it's a 10 out of 10 and these products are amazing. Yeah, if you wanna be a bad bitch, subscribe. Sorry, I'm obsessed with myself. I need to stop looking at it. I gotta stop looking at her. She's too cute. Like, she's too cute. She's too cute. My face does look super shiny though. I don't know if I like that. Why does that happen? I'm gonna put some more powder on just so the shininess kind of goes away a little bit because it looks like super shiny. So that's why we do this. Like that. Better. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good weekend. I hope you're having a good day and I hope you're not heartbroken like I am. I'm not gonna give details as to why I'm heartbroken because we don't talk about negative stuff in this channel. We're positive and we love life. Even though we might want to die inside some days, we stay positive, optimistic, because life only gets better. If you're going through something, just know that it does get better and that you'll get through it. You'll get through it, do your makeup, get ready, take some pictures, and realize how much of a baddie you really are. Find your value. Find your value, girl. I'm gonna make some food and then I'm going to work. Peace out.